today a Christmas light makeup video, like makeup look. Hopefully that makes sense, but let's just get into the video. The palettes I'm using, eyeshadow palettes I'm using is this one. This is mostly for the actual lights, Christmas lights, because they've got really bright colours, like that. And then for the lids of my eyes, I'm using this palette because it just has nice oranges and like browns. So we're going to use that. So I'm going to get into my eyeshadow first. Like always, I'm going to put in a time lapse and then I'll explain each step. So let's get into it. Okay, so now that that's done, it's just a subtle brown look. By the way, I did put the vanilla waffle, that's what it's called, on this eye as well, but I just did not want to film like loads of extra bits, even though I filmed that. But yeah, I'm gonna do my eyebrow to like shape them in place, and then I'm going to do this like lights. I'm gonna actually just time lapse that because it's gonna take me a while. So let's get into the time lapse. Eyeshadow look. This one did not go as well as I thought, but this side is my left side, so that never goes well. This one's decent, I think. It's not as great as what I've seen on Pinterest. Them ones are amazing, but like I've said many times, I'm not a makeup artist. I just do this for fun, and you guys quite like seeing these types of videos. So now let's get on to the actual face makeup, mascara, lipstick and everything like that. This is the final makeup look. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist, so please don't judge. And yeah, whatever. But I'm quite liking the eyebrow makeup detail. Lately I've been seeing on Pinterest and just everywhere that everyone's doing. I like getting my eyebrows involved with my makeup look, and I feel like it just makes the look pop more. And then the subtle brown and the orangey brown, and then the brown lipstick. It's just without this subtle makeup look, but with it, it just makes it pop. So let's get into the outro. Did you like it? Did you like it? Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you next time. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up and comment down below whatever you want. I reply to all my comments. And if you're new here, hit subscribe. I do fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. And I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. Bye!